We have prepared a playlist about the Python Turtle library. Turtle library is used to draw objects graphically. Using the Turtle library, you can make many applications such as graphical animation, basic drawings, and games. You can learn all the features of the Turtle library by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. So let's start. Turtle module is Python's standard library. It becomes ready for use with a simple import. You can create a window using the screen function. But when I run the code, the window suddenly closes. You can try several times. We can solve this problem by using the main loop function. The window no longer suddenly closes. I created an empty window. The application has a default title. Let's change the title. Let's set the title of the application to Turtle Code. I changed the title of the application. The default background color of the application is white. I'll set it as orange. You can change the background color this way. Let's set it to yellow. In this video, we made an introduction to the Turtle library. You can learn all the features of the Turtle library by watching all the videos in the playlist in order. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.